Mauritian, by the way, as well. So
oh yeah, we're Mauritian as well. Yeah.
Yeah, and we all don't speak it that well.
Nah, she's good. She's good. I think she's good.
DIKSHA's good?
I don't know. Say something in Creole now.
Mo pa conheço não com Creole, yeah.
Tu composes Creole? Say something in Creole now. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha.
I'm DIKSHA.
I'm SAJEEDA.
And for today's video, we're going to show you our 5 must-have makeup products, obviously. And yes, before starting the video, make sure to go to the description down below. Yeah, it's called like that. And check the Instagram profile out, so you're gonna find everything there. And that's it. There is no. You wanna say something more? Like, she got 1 Instagram profile, she got 2.
Yeah.
You wanna say more?
But follow me on Makeup by SAJEEDA. That's my
Makeup by SAJEEDA.
my main. You'll find reviews, makeup.
She's really good. She's really good.
Thank you. So are you.
Huh?
So are you. You're very creative.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're talking.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, third wheel. Yeah, what I do? Nothing.
I'm trying to think.
She just buys makeup. She just buys it.
Yeah, exactly.
She got really like.
She does good makeup as well.
Yeah, you're thinking what I'm good at. Nothing.
Let me think, DIKSHA. You could like, I don't know.
Okay, leave it. Follow me.
Okay, follow her. Now.
Poof.
Poof. So, we're gonna start.
I say we start with one that we all liked.
Yeah, I didn't bring mine because
Yeah.
it's the same.
Oh, we all 3 got.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we all love Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is the must-have best
Everyone
mascara
should use it.
in the
It's
world.
really
Yeah.
good. Really good.
And it's really good, like if you get the waterproof one for like brides and
Yeah,
if you're gonna
true.
cry a lot, you
Yeah,
know, it's
exactly.
good.
It's really good for the summer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and if you have watery eyes as well, like I get in a corner watering all the time, so the waterproof one is really good. But I just like how it makes my lashes really thick, that it looks like false lashes.
True.
I like
mine
it.
as well.
Yeah.
Really like that. You wanna say something about this mascara?
No, I just
Oh,
love
I
it.
like the packaging. I don't know if you guys
Yeah,
can
it's
see
nice.
it.
It's simple.
And
The
it's
colours
like a
really-
big brush, and you get a lot of product as well, isn't it?
Oh, the only negative thing that you can say about that is the weight
Price as well.
and the price as
Yeah.
well. But not like, it's not that expensive like
But I don't mind if it's like doing the job
like
that a
once-
cheaper mascara will take 10
Exactly.
coats, and this one does it in 1 or 2 maximum.
Yeah.
Then it's okay, yeah.
Like the other mascara as well, like Urban Decay, they got
Yeah.
the kind of same price. So
Mm.
yeah, but it's really good. So yeah. The next one that I got that I really like is this lipstick by Kat Von D in the shade, I can literally can say that if someone wanna.
Is it Lolita?
No, it's not.
HAWKWIND.
HAWKWIND.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the shade.
I love this one.
HAWKWIND. And I really like that. I think it's the literally the
It's
perfect
HAWKWIND, actually.
nude for me.
Yeah.
I really
HAWKWIND.
like that. I really like
I
that.
love the lip liner, it's so creamy for that one.
Yeah.
I usually pair that with Huda Beauty's Trendsetter.
Mhm.
It's like really nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
I really like that. You need to try it.
Yeah,
I mean,
try
if
that.
you this same skin tone on me, you need to. I think like if you still got like
Yeah, I
for
can
the
wear it
brown
for my,
girl,
yeah.
like it's really
It's
cool.
good for Asian skin tones, and also I find that it's not as drying as the rest of the
true,
liquid lipstick,
true.
so definitely worth a try.
Yeah, mommy, uncle, mommy, mo be video. So the next one is DIKSHA now.
My favorite blush is from MAC and the name is SUNBASQUE. It's a SHEERTONE shimmer blush and it's good for Asian skin tone. And I put it on me, by the way.
My turn. So I'm going to start off with base, yeah. So my favourite base, I'm sure people who follow me on Instagram will know, I rave about it in most of my posts, is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I think they need to just sponsor me already, you know, just send me the PR package, please, right, if you see this. Right, so yeah, I'm shade Honey Bronze. It's the best for hot weather, it does not budge, and I really like it because it's the only foundation that I've found for my skin tone that is near enough spot on, and it doesn't make me look ashy. And I've tried MAC, I've tried Urban Decay, I just can't get one that's good enough. And for the consistency and the durability of the foundation, I think that you just can't beat it. And if you want a long wear foundation that would sit all through sweat, crying, anything, brides, you have to get this. No, seriously, it's really, really good.
Good one that I tried is that one here. So the Urban Decay All Nighter, sorry, in the shade 8.5. No, sorry, 8.75. I can speak, yeah. And yeah, it's really good. It's really good. It's really good.
It does last as well, that one.
It's waterproof as well, so it's really good. But I can use it in this period, like in the summer, just because it's so light for me. But yeah, it's really good. If you wanna like another good foundation, check this out as well. That's it.
Because everyone is talking about base, I'm gonna talk about base too. I like the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. It's very good. But it's very good if you use the foundation.
Oh,
with it.
Yeah. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 280. And that's it. I love both of them.
Okay, cool. So I'll talk about concealer. So my favourite concealer, and I've tried a hell of a lot of concealers. I have two, but I usually mix my concealers. I usually maybe sometimes put 2 or 3 on, but if I'm going to choose just one and that's closest to my skin tone and not too much for highlighting, then it's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I love this. It dries down matte and it doesn't budge. It's really good. I can't fault it. And they have a lot of, you know, shades, so you can, it caters for everyone. And I'm sure a lot of people know NARS already is a really good brand to go to, especially if you're Asian as well, because they have the right undertones for us. So yeah, I just love this. And I usually pair it with Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, and I use SX09. So they've got loads. It's really good. It's really thick. A little goes a long way. Yeah, but this is definitely good.
I got it, but it's already
Yeah.
I never tried NARS.
You never.
No, the
concealer.
The only thing is that it is
never tried.
expensive, and I go through it quite a bit.
So I don't know which one should they already like probably. So the next one is Eyeshadow Palette. Is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. I really like that because they got really, I don't know if you guys can see, but they really got like a really cool shimmer. And yeah, I just like that. I mean, it's really cool. And if you want like try something new, you can as well, because they got some nude stuff as well. So yeah, like you can do different look. So yeah, only for the reason I like that.
What's your favourite in there?
There.
Yeah,
The gold one.
Gold, yeah.
Yeah, the gold one.
Yeah.
It's actually.
Yeah.
My next product is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I use it also as a primer sometimes when I don't use the Fenty Beauty one. It's very good. I think everyone should use this one.
Everyone.
I tried it, you know, and I wasn't keen on it. Maybe I'll have to try it again.
I never tried as well. I mean, I tried it because I literally take it from her. But yeah, I
tried the Gerard Cosmetics one, and some of the smells are not great, but I like the rose one that they did. I've tried the Makeup Forever setting spray.
No. Oh.
I heard it's good.
I want to try as well.
I don't know.
But if you say that it's not good.
I think I might try the All Nighter again and give it. But I have used, like, you know, the Claude de Lis facial mist. That is really good. I'm sure people know about it, and it's refreshing as well. That does the job.
I tried also the Body Shop. Oh yeah, I don't like it.
No?
It makes my face dry.
Oh, okay.
I don't like it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so my next product is, now this is for pros obviously. You can get them individual, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pro Palette. I'm tired, yeah? Right, so basically you get all the shades.
Whoa.
And you get a wax, which is that one there. I usually gravitate between ebony and granite for myself. I prefer a darker brow. But what it is that it comes in like, let me put it up here. Comes in like 2 separate sections, and the first lighter section, for example, in each of them is for the front of the brow, and then the back one is for the back of the brow. And by far, I've tried the pomade and it's difficult to work with. I mean, it's okay, but it's really difficult to work with.
True.
I've tried pencils, I've tried Benefit pencils, LA Girl pencils, I've tried a lot of them, and I still think that this is by far the best. I usually always, and this brush you have to buy separate, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush. It is really, let me see if I can just show you. Fine, yeah, that's it. And it comes with a spoolie. It's brilliant, honestly. Got really good control, and you can get really good brush fine hairs, imitate fine hairs with it.
The last one is Urban Decay Spectrum Palette. So I don't know if you guys know, but I'm kind of like have a creative mind, if I can, like, I don't know, but anyway, I really like the colorful looks, and with that I can actually do that. So I'm really love this palette.
My last favorite product is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette, the original one. And I don't know, but sometimes I like just my eyes to be simple, not like Neha with like crazy colors.
Yeah, we literally
just for every day, isn't it?
Yeah. So nothing. I just like this one.
I'm going to talk about my last product, which is VISEART, and it's their eyeshadow makers, right? So I've got this one's called the Theory 2 Minx 17N. Now they're stocking Cult Beauty, no, not Cult Beauty, Beauty Bay and Selfridges. That's what I do remember. Their eyeshadows are just amazing, and I'll show you. They're just like, this one is good for traveling, for everyday. Oh god, this way. It's like the perfect browns, and it's got 3 shimmers, 3 mattes. I love these. I can't tell you enough. I use it so much. You can't even tell it's been used. I use it so much. Yeah, I literally use it all the time. And they make the coloured ones as well. Go and swatch one of them on your hand. Go on. Put it on the back of your hand.
Just touched her.
You see it?
That
way.
Yeah. Yeah.
You've done the brown. Do the brown.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's really good. Basically, invest in these. If you want good eyeshadows that will last, that will give you pigment, that you don't have to waste time going in and out,
How much is that?
This one was, I think it was, well, I usually always go when there's Beauty Bay's got offers, but maximum it will be is about, you can get it, they start from 26 and they go up to 65.
Okay.
And I think the 65 one was the coloured one, if I'm not mistaken, or
I think
67.
you sent me the link one.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Is the colour one got like 6 like that? Like 6
no, it's
actually,
more,
or
it's bigger.
More bigger.
It's more bigger.
Okay, get it.
It'll be like, the 6 one is about, oh god, yeah, that many. Oh, yeah, so it's good, and it's really pigmented. But yeah, they're really good eyeshadows.
So you like this video, give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to her channel.
Yes.
Make sure as well to check
And share. Don't
And
forget.
share,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, comment down below if you guys have any of this stuff as well.
Yeah.
And which one are your favorite, like.
Do you agree with us on some of the products, or do you think that you have a better alternative,
Yeah,
please
exactly.
comment down below and let
Give
us
us
know.
a recommendation as
Yeah,
well.
we don't
Yeah,
mind,
sure.
won't it? All info is nice. Isn't it? Let's make us spend more money.
I can't.
Oh no, why?
I don't know. I'm saving money for a new camera, only for the reason. But after the new camera, I'm gonna try to buy something. And yeah, make sure to follow them. You're gonna like find all the link in the description box. And that's it. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.